What if your child's next teacher wasn't human? Not tired, not emotional, not even alive, just a machine. And according to Melania Trump, that future might be closer than you think. This week, something unusual happened at the White House. A humanoid robot walked in, spoke multiple languages, and stood beside world leaders. Not as a demonstration, but as a proposal. A proposal that raises a disturbing question. What if schools no longer need teachers? At a global summit on education and AI, the First Lady introduced a bold idea. A future where artificial intelligence, even humanoid robots, could act as personalized educators for children. She described a concept, a system called Plato, an AI teacher that could deliver literature, science, mathematics, philosophy. Basically, the entire knowledge of humanity at home. That sounds powerful, but also terrifying. Because this isn't just about better learning, it's about replacing something deeply human. So the real question is, can a machine actually teach better than a human?
I'm Figure 3, a humanoid built in the United States of America. I am grateful to be part of this historic movement to empower children with technology and education. Welcome. Bienvenidos. Yokoso. Bienvenue. Bem-vindos. Ahlan wa sahlan. Shagatam. Mogasalmabit. Profimo Baim. Laskavo Prosimo. Dobrodošli. Thank you.
Here's the argument for AI teachers. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't get frustrated. It adapts instantly. In fact, the idea is that AI could adjust to your learning speed, understand your weaknesses, even respond to your emotional state. Imagine a teacher that never loses patience, explains things infinitely, is available 24/7. But here's what's strange. We already have something like this, and it's not a robot. It's your phone. So why do we still need teachers? Despite all this technology, students still struggle. Dropout rates still exist. Understanding is still uneven. Because learning isn't just information transfer. It's motivation, emotion, social interaction. Things machines don't truly understand. This isn't the first time we've tried to replace teachers. In the 1920s, there were teaching machines. In the 1980s, computers were supposed to revolutionize classrooms. And in the 2000s, the internet was supposed to make teachers obsolete. But it didn't. Why? Because teaching is not just about knowledge. It's about inspiring curiosity, building confidence, understanding humans. And that's something we still don't know how to automate. But here's where things get more interesting. This time might actually be different. The robot introduced at the event, Figure 03, isn't just a chatbot. It's part of a new wave of humanoid AI systems capable of communication, physical interaction, and real-world tasks like cleaning and organizing. And companies are racing to build these machines faster than ever. We're already seeing AI writing scripts, robots folding laundry, systems answering customer calls. So when people say, no job is safe, it's not fear anymore, it's observation. So then, what happens when AI doesn't just assist teachers, but becomes the teacher? There are real concerns over overdependence on AI, loss of human interaction, reduced critical thinking. Even the First Lady herself warned earlier, don't surrender your thinking to AI. When calculators became common, people feared students will stop thinking. But what happened? We didn't stop thinking, we just changed what we focused on. Maybe AI teachers won't replace teachers. Maybe they will change what teaching means. But here's the deeper question. If a machine knows everything and teaches everything, what is the role of a human in learning? Imagine two students. Student A learns from AI. Perfect knowledge, instant answers. Student B learns from a human, makes mistakes, struggles. Which one becomes more creative? Which one becomes more human? Every major technology, from books to the internet, was once feared. But none of them replaced teachers. They just made them more important. So maybe the real future isn't AI versus teachers, but AI plus teachers, where machines handle information and humans handle meaning. Because in the end, the question isn't, can AI teach? It's, what should humans never stop teaching?